Hello everyone. Today we're going to be unboxing a new router I got. The old one was giving me some fits and yeah, it wasn't working too great, so hold on, I have this window here. I don't know. Go away, window. Okay. So, we got this new Asus, new to me anyway, I guess. This is 2017 Reader's Choice, so maybe it's not brand new, but this Asus AC3100 Rt-AC88U extreme Wi-Fi router with range boost. Looks pretty cool. Has a whole bunch of things on the side. It says, has this cool box it comes in. Anyway, let's open this thing up and see what it looks like. There we go. Alrighty. Well wrapped, well preserved. Okay. Throw that away for later. To be thrown away later. Okay, let's see here. Looks like the top just comes off here. Maybe. Maybe. It's a tight fit. It's snug. There we go. Okay, well that's nice. It's got like a felt or a foam, like, oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, what do we got in here? Looks like we got a quick startup thing here. Okay, fast and easy setup. Pair your modem, power on your router, log in and connect. Okay, looks pretty sweet. Stop. If having trouble, call us. Okay, that's friendly. Okay, so looks pretty nice. It's got a little tab here. Let's pull the tab and out we go here. Huh. So these look like the antennas back here. And here's the thing here. It's decent sized. I think they say the the measurements on it are 11.88 inches this way by 7.4 this way by 2.38 here, or into the metric, 300 by 188 by 60.5 millimeters. Okay, let's take the plastic off. Oh, it's got steps. That was step 3. Step 1, unfold this side. Okay, it's happy there. Okay, step 2, unfold this side. Step 3, fold this down. Okay, that's nice. Throw that away. Okay, so here we go. It's got looks like a power, a Wi-Fi thing, the Wi-Fi 2 thing, the internet, LAN thing. I don't know what all these mean, but it's got a lot of lights on the front. It's got some kind of hookup over here. Oh, it must be for the antennas. And then we got all these different ones here. Okie dokie, not sure what all that stuff is. I'm not really tech savvy, but more on this box here. Looks like that looks like this comes off here, I think. And then looks like it has like an antenna there. And then does it have anything else in here? Nope, doesn't look like it. So this part comes off. Looks like we have 4 antenna. I think there might be something in behind door number whatever it is. And it's, yes, power plug looks like, and another cord. Like I said, I'm not super tech savvy. Another cord looks like goes in the back there. Anyway, that looks like about it. Pretty cool looking. There's these little. There's the antenna for extreme range, I'm guessing. And those just probably screw into the back of and the different sides of this thing here. So there we go. There's the unboxing of the. I thought there might be like a disc or something for this, but apparently it probably helps you set it all up. Anyway, that would be another another video probably. Hold on. There's no, nope, there's nothing in there. I don't think. No. Nothing. Okay. Nothing else in this box, I'm pretty sure. I don't think so. Anyway, there we go, folks. Unboxing of the new Asus AC3100 Rt-AC88U router, extreme Wi-Fi router. So, thanks for watching. Pretty nice looking, red and the whole red and black theme kicking off there, and yeah. So, hopefully this thing is as good as it looked like it. The reviews on online, and we'll see. Maybe I'll do another video on how it works. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Okay, bye.